I was able to talk to the Water Commission about that water valve leak that we have at the Clinton Sisters. And, they were there Thursday and Friday of last week. But then with the weekend, I wasn't able to speak to anybody. And I finally got in touch with them yesterday. And good news and bad news, they weren't really able to figure out where the leak was coming from. So we don't know if it's on our end or on their end, but now they have to dig, right? So that's saving me. So at the end, that's kind of saving me money, because our plumber was pretty much like, if it's on our end, he's going to fix it, obviously for free, because he did the job. And if it's on their end, they'll the city of, the county will fix it. But it was really about the digging and the drilling of getting to the valve, that if the Water Commission didn't want to pay for it, then we would have to pay for it, and our plumber is going to charge us for it. So it's good and bad news, and that's like kind of how I'm taking it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm like a little overwhelmed just with everything not going like how we were expecting it to go, like with the sales, with the refinance, we're just in a period of a hard season, and I'm really stressed. It's been a while that I've been like this stressed. It's like waking me up. Anyone that knows me well knows I am an amazing sleeper. The minute my head touches the pillow, I'm like KO, knocked out, and I like always felt blessed about that, because I love being a good sleeper. But I would definitely say the last couple of weeks, like the stress and like everything that's going on is literally waking me up at night, like it's a fucking nightmare, but I'm like not going to let it bring me down. I have a great support system, and it definitely does help to know that like Yvonne and I are in this together, and I have someone to lean on. So I'm just going to let this season pass, and I understand that whatever we're going through, we have to go through in order for us to grow and get better as investors, as people, as like this.